So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can enable your price alert in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you're new to the app and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video. All you need to do is be in the home page first, and once you're there, just look up at your left corner for this gear icon, and once you tap on it, you can see many options over here. You can see options like wallets, price alerts, address book, scan QR code, and many other. All you need to do is tap on price alert. And guys, to enable price alerts, all you need to do is turn this button on. So once it turns on, you have successfully enabled your price alerts. Make sure to enable your notifications too, because if it's not turned on, then you cannot enable your price alerts. So just wait for it to turn on. And guys, you can see that this button has turned green, which indicates that you have successfully enabled your price alerts. So guys, that's how you enable price alerts in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.